Good day, everyone. Let us try to solve this algebra problem from the Mathematics Olympiad in Ghana. And this is the problem. If 27 raised to the power of A is equals to 64 raised to the power of B is equals to 125 raised to the power of C is equals to 60, find the value of 21 ABC over AB plus BC plus AC. Now, to solve this problem, we consider this part of the fraction. As you can see, the numerator ABC is actually a product. That means the denominator must be multiplied as well. But as you can see here, a sum is involved. So to make it a product, it must have a common factor. But looking at the terms, we cannot find any common factor among AB, BC, and AC. That means we cannot have a fraction of this form. So the only way to get this fraction is to treat it as a reciprocal. So we rewrite the given as AB plus BC plus AC over ABC. That means the original expression becomes 21 over AB plus BC plus AC over ABC. So now, let us try to simplify this part here. This one here. Doing some cancellations, we will be able to get AB plus BC plus AC over ABC equal to 1 over C plus 1 over A plus 1 over B. So that means 21 over AB plus BC plus AC all over ABC is now equal to 21 over 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. Now to solve for this expression, we need now to solve for 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C. To do this, we equate each exponential expression by 60 separately. So we now have 27 to the A is equals to 60, 64 to the B is equals to 60, and finally 125 to the C is equals to 60. Now the variables that we wish to find here, which are A, B, and C, are exponents, so we change each equation into logarithms. So 27 to the A equals 60 becomes log of 27 to the A is equals to log 60. 64 to the B equals 60 becomes equal to log 64 raised to the power of B is equals to log 60. And log 125 to the C is equals to log 60 for 125 to the C is equals to 60. Now, using the logarithm of a power, we can rewrite log 27 to the power of A equals log 60 into A log 27. The same thing will happen with the second one. So we have B log 64 is equals to log 60, and this one here becomes C log 125 equals log 60. Next, what we're going to do is, since we are solving for A, B, and C, we are going to solve each logarithmic equation for the variable. So we have A is equals to log 60 over log 27, B is equals to log 60 over log 64, and C is equals to log 60 over log 125. Now, remember what we are solving is 1 over A, 1 over B, and 1 over C. But we come up with values of A, B, and C. Since what we are solving is actually the reciprocals of the variables, we interchange the numerators and denominators. So we will get 1 over A is equals to log 27 over log 60. 1 over B equals log 64 over log 60. And 1 over C is equals to log 125 over log 60. Now, to solve for the values of 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C, we add them as well as their values. We now have 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C is equals to log of 27 over log 60 plus log 64 over log 60 plus log 125 over log 60. Now notice that they have a common denominator. So we can combine them under one denominator. This will become log 27 plus log 64 plus log 125 all over log 60. Now, as you can see, 27, 64, and 125 are all powers of 3. So we can rewrite them as log of 3 cubed because 27 is 3 raised to the power of 3. Then 64 becomes log of 4 cubed because 64 is 4 raised to the power of 3. And finally, log of 125 becomes log of 5 cubed because 25 is equal to 5 raised to the power of 3. Again, all of them is having a denominator of 60. Now, since we have exponents, we use the log of a power again. We now have 3 log 3 plus 3 log 4 plus 3 log 5. By this time, as you can see, 3 is a common factor, so we factor that out. We have 3 log 3 plus log 4 plus log 5 all over log 60. Now, you have log 3 plus log 4 plus log 5. We can rewrite them as one argument under one single logarithm. We use the logarithm over product. You have 3 times log of 3 times 4 times 5. 3 times 4 times 5 is 60. Therefore, this will simplify into 3 log 60 over log 60. Now, log 60 is in the numerator and it's also in the denominator. We can cancel them out. So we are left with 3. That means A plus B plus C, or 1 over A plus 1 over B plus 1 over C is equals to 3. Now, this expression, which is equal to this one, will be in turn equal to 21 over 3, and that gives us an answer of 7. And this is now our final answer, and the problem is solved. So that's it for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more challenging algebra problems. Thank you so much. Enjoy learning.